Okay, so we did 6 of them in black. Now I'm going to do the next one in charcoal gray. Look how beautiful that came out. Okay, the next one is going to be granite. And for the last one, I'm going to spray some stone gray. For not paying attention, look what I did. Perfect. Okay, so first I'm going to spray some of this Junkin Silver over the black. Well, this is the Junkin Silver over black base, 2 coats, and it's a very beautiful color. Not quite as bright as I was thinking, but very nice. I'm still going to use the candy red over this, but I'm also going to try the Silver Ice. This is a GM color, and we're going to try this over a black and see if this is any brighter than this. The next one, we're going to use Kin Gold so we can make a gold base, and here's the pearl already mixed. Okay, here are the colors just with a little bit of sunlight. This is the Silver Ice. Very nice and bright. I'm going to compare that to Junkin Silver. Now with the sunlight, you can see that it is more brilliant. There's more brilliance here. It does have a deep tone, not a deep tone, like really bright silver. Kind of looks like gunmetal over here, like on the shade sides. And then we have the gold, which, I mean, right there, it doesn't quite look gold. And if we bring it to the sunlight, now there's like brilliance to it. That reflective shine, because over here on the shade side, we still have a lot of the deep tone, some of the color. And then this side. Very cool. I also want to experiment with the Glimmer White just a bit further. Last time I sprayed this over a white base, it kind of looked silver. So also this has a much larger particle size than just regular metallic. So we'll see what it does over a black base. And even if it gives us a dark tone, the red candy that I'm using has a pearl and it looks great over a black base as well. So whatever glimmer or sparkle it gives us, perfect. So let's go ahead and spray this. Okay, this right here is 2 coats of glimmer white over the black base. Somehow it looks chrome black. So it's been a good half hour since I sprayed these speed shapes, and now we are ready for the candy. And here it is. I already went ahead and mixed it up. So this is candy red pearl, and this is going to look great over black base. So candy red pearl over black, and that's an original, or over silver. And this right here is kin gold, not quite like really gold brilliant the color, but it's still somewhat. We're gonna try see what comes out. Here I have the black base with glimmer white. We did 2 coats of that. And this is Jungan Silver, also Pearl by Eye Candy Pigments. Okay guys, so I went ahead and clear coated all the speed shapes off camera just to speed up the process. And now I'm gonna go over each color, tell you guys what base I used, and then show you guys the color. So first right here, this was using the 636R Silver Eyes. So this color is a factory color from like Impalas, Corvettes, Camaros, even Tahoes, even Buicks. So it's very common color. And this is just adding the mid coat, the candy Brandywine, and then clear coat. So very beautiful color. Very beautiful color. So from all the samples, this is the brighter red of them. Very beautiful. Get close, you can see that there's a bit of metallic. It could be from the silver or it could be from the candy. The candy has pearl as well. So look at that. And the clear coat is just a cheap clear coat. It's Cobra Clear from eBay, but it does a very good job also. So that was the silver ice. Next, I went ahead and sprayed the Kin Gold over a black base, and this is from Eye Candy Pigments. So this one made that gold, not really bright gold, but it was pretty goldish. So the color made it a little bit more darker than the first one, a little bit more deep. You can see a little bit more metallic on this one. Let's look at that at a distance. And look at those two. And this is with the gold, the kin gold. So if you have a black car, you could probably throw this first. I mean, if you're using this base. But the mid-tone, they're all the same. Coming over here, this is where I use the Jungan silver. Again, from Eye Candy Pigments, so sprayed this over black base. And I only sprayed 2 coats on all of them as far as the pearls. But then I sprayed 3 coats of the Candy Brandywine. And this is over the Jungan silver. Very beautiful. It's going to be hard to decide because they're all beautiful colors, especially the candy and then with the pearl. So there's these 3: Silver Eyes, Kin Gold, Jungan Silver. Over here, I had a black base, and I remember telling you guys I wanted to experiment a little bit more with the Glimmer White. So I went ahead and just the same formula. I added 2 coats here. So on this one, I don't know if it's just me or maybe it does look a little bit more sparkly. But the color, still 3 coats. And it's still over a black. So there was a bit of a dark base here. So as you get a little bit of a distance, you know, some areas looks black. And then, of course, with the light, look at that. So this is black with Glimmer White Pearl, and then 3 coats of the Candy Brandywine. And then coming over here, this is just black. So I don't know if I just used Ultra Matte Black or I might have used the High Tech Black, but it's still black. And this one, look at that. It looks black. It just looks black. But when there's strong enough light, like outside during the sun or with a flashlight, look at that. It's just a beautiful color. This is going to be like a black cherry. Well, I mean, it's called Brandywine, but like the color itself that gives off. So very deep. So this was just, you can buy the kit like this: black base, candy, brandy wine, and it's pearl. So this will give you the effect. You can also buy it, the kit, with a silver base, and it's either like the Impala silver. It's like a galaxy silver, so it's pretty bright. And this gold might have not looked like gold or very, very brilliant. It was brilliant, but like the color that we're expecting, but beautiful color, like nonetheless. And now over here in the back, we go to the back. Here we sprayed a black, charcoal, granite, stone. And those are by Rust-Oleum Colors. The Rust-Oleum Colors. So as far as the pearl, I added the Ronin Black. So Ronin Black has a silver tone. So this is what it did on the black base. It's a very nice color. After this is the charcoal. And here, I mean, I guess they're both around the same color, the charcoal and then the silver tone from the pearl. But it did a very nice color also. Right now I'm just looking at the colors. I'm not decided on any of them. But you guys could tell me as far as the candies for the frame, which one would look best. Because over here we're doing like this is for this idea, the black top, black bottom, and then a silver. Like I said, I experimented with these. I don't know if this black with the Ronin for the top and bottom, and then on the center, I think these are still too dark. This is granite with Ronin black pearl, and then over here is stone. So very nice colors, but for something like this, I don't know if I kind of like the Jungan silver over black, but I'll come back more experiments like that. For now, what do you guys think about these colors? Very beautiful. I'll try to get a video of them, at least a short, outside some other day. Right now, it's raining, and I expect the next few days to be cloudy and cold. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment which one you liked best. I mean, if you guys are going to paint candy or this candy, you could do it over your own factory color if you have black or silver eyes, or you can get pearls and make your own color. And it doesn't have to be like silver or gold or black. You could use any base, but this is red candy, so you know we're trying to keep it within those colors. But look at this. This was wild. Glimmer white pearl over black, and we used candy over this. I like the way this sparkles. I like it. So, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.